Have you ever been sitting quietly, maybe late at night, scrolling your phone, or just relaxing? And out of nowhere, your dog slowly walks up to you, looks at you, and gently places their paw on your arm? Not scratching, not playing, just resting it there. It feels small, almost meaningless. But what if I told you this one simple action could actually reveal your dog's emotions, their needs, and even how they see you? Welcome to Canine Insight. Most dog owners completely misunderstand this behavior, and sometimes they even respond the wrong way without realizing it. And before we go deeper, if you truly want to understand your dog on a deeper level and build a stronger bond with them, don't forget to subscribe, because videos like this will completely change how you see your dog forever. Now let's break down the 7 real reasons your dog puts their paw on you, and some of these might genuinely surprise you. Number 1. Your dog is expressing deep emotional bonding and trust. When your dog gently places their paw on you in a calm moment, especially when there's no obvious reason like food or play, this is one of the purest signs of emotional bonding. To understand this deeply, you need to think like a dog. Dogs are pack animals. In a pack, physical closeness means safety, trust, and belonging. They sleep close together. They lean on each other. They stay connected physically. So when your dog puts their paw on you, they're not just touching you, they're including you in their pack space. This is huge, because from your dog's perspective, you are not just an owner, you are family, and physical touch is how they reinforce that bond. Also, there's a biological side to this. When dogs engage in calm physical contact, their bodies release calming hormones like oxytocin, the same hormone humans release during hugging or bonding. So when your dog rests their paw on you while relaxed, they are literally experiencing emotional comfort and connection. This is their way of saying, "I trust you completely. I feel safe with you. You are important to me." And the calmness of the moment is key. If there's no urgency, no tension, just quiet contact, then this is pure emotional connection. Number 2. They are intentionally interrupting you to get your attention. Now let's look at a more strategic reason. Dogs are extremely observant. They study your behavior every single day. They notice when you wake up, when you eat, when you leave, when you ignore them. And most importantly, they learn what actions get your attention. So if your dog puts their paw on you while you're distracted, on your phone, laptop, or watching TV, this is not random at all. This is a deliberate interruption strategy. Your dog has learned, barking might annoy you, jumping might get me pushed away, but placing my paw gently works perfectly. It's polite, it's effective, and it gets results. It's basically your dog tapping you and saying, "Hey, I know you're busy, but I'm here too." And here's the important psychology. Every time you respond, even by looking at them, you reinforce this behavior. So over time, your dog becomes more confident using this method. This is intelligent communication, not instinct, learned behavior. Number 3. They are making a specific request and expecting a response. This is where things get even more interesting. Sometimes, your dog isn't just asking for attention. They're asking for something specific. Dogs are masters of association. If one action leads to a result, they remember it. For example, paw you stand-up walk happens. Paw you go to kitchen food appears. Paw you grab toy playtime starts. Once this pattern forms, your dog begins using the paw as a trigger behavior. So, when your dog places their paw on you and then looks at you intensely, moves away expecting you to follow, repeats the action, they are not guessing. They are expecting a known outcome. This means your dog is communicating with purpose. It's not just "hey," it's "hey, do the thing you usually do after this." And this is why context matters so much, because the meaning changes depending on time of day, environment, routine, Understanding this turns confusion into clear communication. Number 4. They are emotionally dependent on you for comfort and security. This is one of the deepest emotional meanings behind this behavior. When your dog feels stressed, anxious, or uncertain, they look for stability, and in most cases, that stability is you. So when your dog places their paw on you during thunderstorms, fireworks, loud noises, new environments, visits from strangers, they are not being clingy, they are seeking emotional grounding. This is similar to how humans seek comfort in physical contact during stress. Your dog doesn't understand what's happening around them, but they understand one thing: you dog's safety. So that paw is their way of anchoring themselves emotionally. It's like saying, I don't understand this situation, but I trust you to keep me safe. And how you respond here shapes your dog's emotional development. If you remain calm and reassuring, your dog learns confidence. If you panic or ignore them, their anxiety may increase. So this small gesture actually plays a role in your dog's long-term emotional stability. Number 5. They are mirroring your behavior and returning affection. Here's something many people don't realize. Dogs learn how to express love from you. Think about it. You constantly pet them, touch them, sit close to them, show physical affection. Over time, your dog learns. This is how love is expressed. So sometimes, when your dog places their paw on you, they are copying you. They are mirroring your behavior. It's their version of, you touch me, I touch you. And this is especially true when your dog is relaxed, their body language is soft, there is no urgency or demand. This is not a request. This is emotional reciprocity, a two-way exchange of affection. And this is one of the strongest signs that your dog doesn't just love you. They understand your relationship. Number 6. It can be a subtle assertion of control or presence. Now let's talk about a misunderstood aspect. Not all paw placements are emotional or affectionate. In some cases, especially with confident, assertive, or highly energetic dogs, this behavior can be about presence or control. This doesn't mean aggression, it means influence. Dogs communicate through body positioning, so when a dog places their paw firmly, applies slight pressure, holds eye contact, repeats the behavior insistently, they may be testing boundaries. It's like saying, I'm here, and I want control of this interaction. This is more common in dogs that are not fully trained, have strong personalities, have learned they can influence outcomes. But here's the key. This is not something to fear. It's something to understand. Because once you recognize it, you can guide your dog calmly and confidently. Number 7. This behavior exists because you reinforced it over time. At the core of everything, dogs repeat behaviors that work. This is basic behavioral psychology. If an action leads to a reward, it becomes stronger. So if your dog places their paw on you and you respond with attention, talking, smiling, petting, giving treats, you are reinforcing the behavior, even unintentionally. And over time, this becomes automatic. Your dog doesn't think, should I do this? They think, this always works. And that's why this behavior becomes frequent. So in a way, your dog placing their paw on you is not just about them, it's also about how you've responded in the past. Your dog may never speak your language, but they are always communicating. And sometimes, something as small as a paw resting on your arm carries a message filled with trust, emotion, and connection. So the next time your dog does this, pause for a moment. Look at them. Understand what they're trying to say. And if you want to keep learning how your dog thinks, feels, and communicates, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning of understanding your dog on a completely different level.